ever scheduled meeting and later realized two of them clash? Let's fix that with one simple trick. In this problem, we are given a 2D array and we have to find all the meetings time are clashed or not. So we simply are given bool function and we have to return the false or true. So let's look at first example. Input is 1, 4, 10, 5, 15, 7, 10. Since we can do all the meetings, so output is true. Like 4 is less than 7. We have to compare the end index and starting index of other interval. So 4 is less than 7 and 10 is less than 10, means it is equal. We can just do the meeting. But if I look at second example, then 2 is less than 6 but 10 is greater than 9, which is not possible. Like it is the back time and we have to find that the intervals are overlapping or not. So let's try to code this, and first we have to sort the array. So for sorting we will write the standard template library function that will be array.begin, and we have to do it till the end, so that will be end. After that we will run a for loop from starting to the end of array, so that will be int I equal to 0 and I equal to array.size and I plus plus. Now we will compare the last index of array and the first index of another element. So we will check if array of I 0, 1, since we have to do the end index of a second, and we will compare with less array dot I dot 0, and we will simply return false because we have to check the opposite condition. Like 4 is, and for the opposite condition we have to make the greater than sign, and in the last we simply return true. If all the conditions are passed, for loop pass, then it will simply return true. But remember one thing, that we have to compare the another index, like this array and the another index, so that's why we have to do I plus 1, and since we are doing the I plus 1 we cannot go out of bounds, so we will do -1 here, like the n minus 1. Now let's run this program, submit this program. As you can see, we have successfully compiled this program, submitted this program, and its time complexity will be big of n log n, since we are using for loop here and we are using the sort function, input function, and the space complexity will be big of 1 since we are not using any extra space. And that's it. Thanks for your patience and watching this video.